Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to jump-start Toyota Prius, full guide. Begin by ensuring both vehicles are off and in park. Open hoods and locate the battery or jump terminal cover. Attach red clamp to positive terminal and red clamp to the donor positive, then attach black clamp to donor negative and a grounded metal point on the Prius. Double-check clamps are secure, start donor car, then start the Prius carefully. Finding the right terminals is easy and important for a safe jump start. Pop the hood and remove covers to reveal the battery or designated jump terminal near the engine bay. Look for the positive terminal marked with a plus sign or red cap, and locate a solid metal grounding point on the Prius body or engine block for the negative clamp. Avoid painted surfaces and fuel lines, and keep clamps from touching each other. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hands-free instructions and timers while you work on your car, and it can bring your space to life with crisp sound. I've linked the product in the description along with other deals, so check those out when you can. Now let's get back to the video. Now follow these steps calmly and methodically to get the Prius running. With both cars off and brakes set, connect red clamp to Prius positive, then to donor positive. Attach black clamp to donor negative, then clamp the other black to a solid metal ground on the Prius. Start the donor vehicle, let it run for several minutes, then attempt to start the Prius. If successful, remove clamps in reverse order and secure all covers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.